Celebrate this summer's festival of football by taking advantage of 888sport free bet frenzy. Hit the target in our exclusive mobile game to get free bets during every match of the tournament. Just wait for kickoff, and when the ref blows, take aim and fire. You'll get 3 targets to aim at, and the smaller the target you hit, the better the prize you'll get. And that's not all. Check out the 888sport Casino Happy Hour between matches, and we'll give you a 25% bonus on all winnings. Get the game by signing up to 888sport, depositing and placing a bet. With hundreds of live markets on every match and the chance to cash out your winnings early on any in-play bet, 888sport is the only place to punt on the action this summer. Check out our promo page for more superb free bet offers during the tournament. Shout about that!